Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Ribeye steak continues as we explore deeper cooking methods, perfect doneness levels, and professional techniques that bring out its full flavor. Stay tuned for part 2. Grilling ribeye steak is another beloved cooking method. Charcoal grills create smoky flavors that pair perfectly with beef, while gas grills offer convenience and consistent heat. Professional grill masters often use two heat zones. One side of the grill stays extremely hot for searing, while the cooler side allows thicker steaks to finish cooking slowly. This method prevents burning while still producing a beautiful crust. Different levels of doneness dramatically affect the steak experience. Rare steak has a cool red center and soft texture. Medium rare, often considered the ideal doneness for ribeye, has a warm red center and excellent juiciness. Medium steak contains a pink center with slightly firmer texture. Medium well and well done steaks lose more moisture but remain preferred by some diners. Using a meat thermometer is one of the most reliable ways to achieve perfect doneness. Medium rare usually falls between 130 and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Side dishes elevate the steak experience even further. Creamy mashed potatoes remain one of the most classic pairings because they complement the richness of ribeye. Roasted vegetables, grilled asparagus, creamed spinach, garlic mushrooms, onion rings, and crispy fries are also common companions. Sauces such as peppercorn sauce, chimichurri, garlic butter, mushroom cream sauce, and red wine reduction add additional layers of flavor. Steakhouse culture has become a major part of dining around the world. Luxury steakhouses focus heavily on premium cuts, dry aging, and expert cooking techniques. Dry-aged ribeye is especially prized because the aging process concentrates flavor and tenderizes the meat. During dry aging, large cuts of beef are stored in temperature-controlled environments for several weeks. Moisture evaporates slowly while natural enzymes break down muscle fibers. The result is deeper flavor with nutty and earthy notes that many steak lovers consider unforgettable. Different cultures also celebrate steak in unique ways. In Argentina, grilling meat over open fire is deeply tied to family gatherings and tradition through a cooking style called asado. Japanese Wagyu steakhouses emphasize precision, presentation, and luxurious texture. American steakhouse culture often highlights massive portions, bold flavors, and rich side dishes. Across Europe, steaks are frequently paired with elegant sauces and wine pairings. Despite regional differences, the love for ribeye steak remains universal. Cooking ribeye steak at home can feel intimidating for beginners, but learning the basics transforms the process into something enjoyable and rewarding. Understanding heat control, resting time, and seasoning allows anyone to create incredible steak meals in their own kitchen. Mistakes are part of the learning process, and every steak teaches something new about timing, temperature, and flavor. Ribeye steak is more than just a piece of beef. It represents craftsmanship, tradition, and appreciation for quality ingredients. The process of selecting the steak, preparing it carefully, cooking it with precision, and serving it with pride creates an experience that goes beyond simple eating. Every detail matters, from the sizzling crust to the juicy center and rich aroma rising from the plate. For many people, steak dinners are connected to celebration and memorable moments. Families gather around grills during holidays and weekends. Friends share steak meals in restaurants while celebrating achievements. Couples enjoy steak dinners on anniversaries and special occasions. Ribeye steak often becomes part of meaningful experiences that people remember for years. Even after centuries of culinary evolution, ribeye steak remains one of the most respected and desired foods in the world. Trends may come and go, but the appeal of a perfectly cooked ribeye continues to endure. The combination of tenderness, flavor, aroma, and texture creates a meal that satisfies in a way few other foods can match. Whether grilled outdoors over charcoal, pan-seared in butter at home, or served in a luxury steakhouse, ribeye steak continues to symbolize indulgence, passion, and the timeless joy of exceptional food. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.